So guys, good day. So meron tayong customer ulit. COD via Lalamove to guys. So ang motor ng client natin ay X-Max 300. So ito yung elbow niya guys, napili niya. Ayun titanium look guys. For X-Max 300. Alright, so yung napili niyang muffler, yung ating R77 Big, burnt blue din. So complement yung kulay niya guys. Titanium look. Ito yung R77 Big, ayan. With silencer yan guys. For X-Max 300, isang set na guys. Plug and play po yan. Okay, so nag-request yung ating customer guys. So binigyan natin siya ng free na CVT cleaner. Alright, so bound to Pampanga. So, COD via Lalamove, bound to Pampanga. Alright, for X-Max 300 full system. Alright, so dito lang yun guys sa Marjo Accessories and Mufflers. Located at Metroville Subdivision, Puok, Santa Rosa City, Laguna.